So, come on, let's start new topic. Actually, today we will start the mechanical transmission of power. Okay, so it's very important subject for examinations point of view, where we can learn and earn both. We can learn and earn the basic concept of mechanical transmissions in the different excavators, and you will understand that all the basic tools like shaft, coupling, catches, belt, chain, and combination of two and more above. Okay, and the tooth gearing, rope, hydraulic pressures. We will understand each and each thing, because in synchrony there are lots of almost 50% mine are being mined by the renowned mining methods. So definitely, there are lots of mechanical equipments are involving as a department. Okay, so definitely the question will come from this chapter for sure. So I am taking the reference of DGMS volume 3, and after that I have made a presentation. I will show to you that particular things also. So if we talk about the power transmissions, okay, so the power is transmitted through the mechanically by the means of following device. Okay. For example, if you want to make a power, for example, this is a piston. Okay, where where this is a piston. Okay. So if you apply the force here, what happened? It will go to the inside. So it required power by the means of mechanical. So power transmission mechanically means the following device. The first one is the shaft coupling और clutches. Okay, by the means of shaft coupling और clutches हम यहाँ से मैकेनिकल ट्रांसमिटेड करेंगे, पावर करेंगे. सेकंड इज टूथ gearing. ठीक है. थर्ड इज बेल्ट. फोर्थ इज द rope. फिफ्थ इज chain. Sixth is the hydraulic pressure, and seventh is the combinations of above two, like shaft and tooth gearing, belt and rope, chain and hydraulic pressures. Like this, we can transmit the power. Okay. Lifting machines described in the earlier chapter, transmission power mechanically form of human agency for briefing period of the lift. The arrangement started above the employs the transmission of power continues for a long time. Shaft machines describes an earlier chapter transmit the power mechanically from the human agency brief the period of the lift. The arrangement started above the employed the transmission power of the continuously and long period. Shafts for the transmission power are generally made up of the forged mild steel. Okay, for example, this is shaft. You see, this is the splined shaft. Okay, some kind shaft is formed like a this shaft. If groups are made, if for example, this is a shaft. Okay, in this the groups are made. Okay, large shafts are made of hollow mainly to reduce the weight. The part of shaft which rest on the bearing support called journal. Okay, journal. If you see, for example, this is a place where shafts are resting. Okay, this is the plate. This plate is known as journal. Journal. Okay, a key is fixed between the shaft and the club. It is generally placed key cut partially in the shaft and partially in the boss of the wheel, where the wheel is required to slide along the shaft while steering a steel transmission power. The shaft is generally splined and is commonly gearbox. Okay. For example, the combinations of where shaft is placed is called gearbox. Okay. You see, this is the shaft. Okay. I am Sidhu Srinivas. So, in today's classes, we will understand mechanical transmission. Okay. So, coming to the point of the shaft and coupling and clutches. A shaft which form a prime mover like electric motor is directly connected to the driver's shaft and shaft of pulley which is driven through the gearing, belt, rope, chain, etc. is driven by the shaft or pulley. Okay. So in this chapter you understand the shaft coupling and clutches. Okay. A flexible coupling is used between the driver's driven shaft when both are in the same line. run at the same revolution and required to slight relatively movement between the two or both axial transitionally. Okay, so uh, hello everyone, Abdul and Srinivas. So we are starting the mechanical transmission. So wait for a minute. I am first. I need to present my presentation. Then only you can understand. Okay. So everyone joined actually. So for those who are joining late, I am just giving the brief overview of the mechanical transmission. So we are studying the mechanical transmission. Basically, mechanical transmission is a kindly understand. Uh, for example, like excavator, payload operator, okay, like payloader, okay, like another is dozer, okay, dozer and grader, okay. These are the machines which are mechanically driven in the heavy machine. These are the HEM, okay. These are the HEM. So in this chapter, we will understand how they are mechanically driven. Okay. So for that, we have to understand the each component. So in this classes, we have studied the shaft, which is shaft. This is called shaft basically. Okay, and the shaft is placed over which is called general. For example, this is a shaft which is placed over it. Something placed in a steel mechanical device is called. You can see here. This is a shaft. Okay, and this is placed over something plate called, okay, and another shaft is placed like that. Okay, so there is a bolt, okay, which bolt will be go like that. Okay, here there is a bolt, which bolt is go like that. Okay, and this is called shaft. So this arrangement, this whole arrangement is called general. Okay, and this is called shaft. Okay, and we are understanding shaft coupling. Okay, a shaft is a form of part of prime mover, like electric motor. Okay, for example, understand one thing. For example, this is a motor. Okay, this is a motor. Okay, and the shaft is inside that. So this shaft is a prime mover. Okay, so the shaft is a form of part of prime mover, like electric motor, or directly connected to it the driver of the shaft and shaft or pulley, which is form of gearing, belt, rope, and everything. Okay. So what does it means? It means that this shaft is directly connected to the those where we want to drive. Okay. So let I am showing you in the picture. You can get the very good clarity. Wait 1 second. You see, you see in this picture. Okay, you see this picture. This is the induction motor. Okay, this is called shaft, which is connected to the coupling, and this coupling will be connected to the synchronous generator. Okay, so this is the prime mover. This is the basically prime mover which we are talking about. Okay, this is the prime mover. Okay, so coming to our topic, just as showcased to you, just for your understanding purpose. Okay, so okay, the shaft is connected through the coupling and clutches. It is called prime mover. Okay, coming to the coupling, so a flexible coupling is used between the driver and the driven shaft. Okay, coupling, for example, in this photographs you see, again I have to search it. You see here, you see the prime mover shaft is connected to the coupling. This is called coupling. This part is known as coupling. This part is known as, so so here it is it is driven the driver. So who is driver? This motor is a driver. This is driver of shaft, and this is driven. Okay, this is driven part. Okay, is driven shaft, and both are same line, run at the same revolution, or requires slightly different movement between two and both axially and transitionally. Okay, what does it means? So it you can in the same direction you can run the system, and even you have to transmit the power from right angle, so you have to put the such kind of coupling. Okay, a flexible coupling absorbs shocks and vibration resulting from the a small error in the alignment of driver or driven shaft. Okay, where the slight axial movement of shaft of unavoidable flexible coupling is itself. Example, turbine pumps where very small axial movement of pump shaft occur while in axial thrust hydrogen balance in figure 5.2. Here you can see. Hmm. You see, this is the coupling basically. This is a flexible coupling, the flange and booster. Okay, this is the flange and booster. This is called flange. Okay, pin of A and bush of B, which both will be tightened. And after tightening, you see here how this is called general. This is called general. The case is called general, and this is called this is drive driver shaft, which is connected to the motor, and this is a driven shaft. Okay, and this coupling is totally known as coupling. Okay, and the coupling type is flexible type. Okay, this is flexible type, this is roller chain type. This coupling is roller chain type, this is flexible type. Here is shaft is joining, here is shaft is joining. Okay, so I believe you understand well. So coming to the point. Okay, so this steel flange known as pin half A and bush of B. Okay, and the pin half A usually 6 to 8 holes receive pins from bolt of the brown wheel. They मतलब ये बोल रहा है कि this is a bush, this is a pin half, and this is having the 8 holes, and this is having 8 bush which will go to the inside and get coupled. Okay, and number holes receiver of rubber bushes. The pin half A keyed of the motor shaft, and bush half B is the pump shaft driven by the shaft. Okay, the pins and bolts are however free to slide exteriorly. Bush half be within the small limit. Okay, the bushes are loose fit. Their housing, that is in the hole of flange. Okay, are made up of rubber lined with the thin brass shells through which the pin and bolt can be slides. The bolt carrying the bushes receives within the flange so that there is no dangerous projections. Okay, so another flexible chain is coupling 5.3. This is called roller chain coupling. The first part we understand flexible coupling, and second part is roller chain coupling. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, Vishwajit, Sai Kiran, and Sidhu Srinivas. Okay, if you are facing any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Okay, during the classes. Sir, please explain overall use of this topic in short that helps to an easy understanding. Full topic chapter 3 in 3 minute like. Full topic chapter 3 in 3 minute like. So I can understand if we go 3 minute in the full topic of chapter in 3 minute like, what do you understand, what you are speaking, I am not getting your point. You know, the every topic is very important. Okay, so you see in the my 16 lecture of my missionary classes, I have covered in detail. Okay, so by studying this lectures, you cannot go with any books and all. Okay, so by this content you can directly take the answer. Okay, so if we go through in that video fast, because we have only 13 lecture more. Okay, for complete this my missionary, I have taken 2 lecture for the transmission part. Okay, because there's a very few topics which we have to cover. So what we studied today, we have completed shaft. Okay, and now we are understanding the coupling. Okay, the first is the flexible coupling. You see the way I am. Sorry, topic overall one, sir. Involve mechanical transmissions. Yeah. I will cover all the topics. Like understand there are 7 types of mechanical transmissions. Okay. The first type is the first you have to understand the shaft, what are the different types of flexible coupling and couples and clutches. Then only you can understand in detail. Okay. So let me let have some patience. for a while because I have started classes today to taking the minus today, and after the course of 1 to 2 3 lectures, you will get it. Okay, we are in the right track. Okay, because today I will take only one class for mind machineries. Tomorrow I will take a two classes. Okay. So by this way you can after 3 to 4 days you just feel that okay, my lots of topic has been covered. So in the flexible coupling, the flange and bush type, okay, because in your question, in examinations, okay, in examination they are generally ask what is flexible coupling. They will give it in the option flange and bush type, okay. In the second part, roller chain coupling, okay. You see in the 5.3, I have already explained what is the roller chain coupling. The two halves of consequentially the coupling are in the form of socket wheels. The chain is double width encircle both socket. It can be disconnected whenever required. The flexible coupling is enclosed in a split in the house of the return of lubricant and excluded. Okay, the flexible coupling, you see, this is the chain like I already explained. Okay, so, so this is a universal joint. Okay, what is universal joint? You can rotate in any directions, and generally in trucks axle we are seeing this type of joint. Okay, so the flexible coupling commonly used in the propelled shaft motor car and universal joint. Okay, or cross bearing. This permits the driver and driven shaft to move out alignment. Okay, out alignment. Hmm. Out alignment that what is allowed to be coupling and described below. Okay, so these are the three types of the coupling, okay, and joints. Now coming to the hydraulic coupling, which is very important. Okay, the hydraulic coupling is very important topic for the examinations point of view, because here you have to study, you have to know to the kind of oil is used is there. Okay, and oil mining sector, that's all the achievement are the hydraulic coupling is situated there. Okay, so the hydraulic coupling, a fluid coupling is known as hydraulic coupling. Okay, the drive arrangement with the help of fluid known as the fluid drive. Okay, and the hydraulic coupling is important for development during the last 4 decades. And the fluid drive is being used to increase the scale of mechanical engineering industry and in the automobile industry. In large cars, mostly adopt the fluid flywheel drive. In mines, such coupling are widely used in the belt conveyor drive and locomotive drive. Definitely, yes. The hydraulic coupling transmits engine motor power through liquid without mechanical leakage between the drivers and driven machineries. Most fluid drives are designed for use of engine of high speed like 1500 rpm and more, with the lower speed of engine motor. Large coupling must be used to proportion of the power. It is motors of the low as 2 kilowatt. Okay, the a fluid coupling consists of two main parts. The first one is the impaler, and second one is a runner. That is B. You see, this is the impaler and this is a runner. Okay, so understand the impaler. What is impaler? It is a driver shaft which is connected to the shaft. This is the driven shaft. Okay, so understand it is fitted radial vanes. You see, this is a vanes. This is a vanes. Okay, and this is having the vanes. Okay, radial. This is having the vanes which is fitted and rotate driven shaft. जो ये shaft से connect होता है, जो drive करता है इसको. Okay, and the B runner is a similar count of truncheon which is secured of the driven shaft of gearbox forming a part of a driven machine. The runner is also always turbine. Runner को हम turbine बोलते हैं. Okay. So understand the concept. The impaler and the turbine set of enclosed in oil tight. That is called 5.6. You see how they are getting this is called impeller A, and this is called rubber B. So it is the sectional view you see in the end view. This is called oil fitted, and this is top view basically. Okay, this is JJ fold, and they are cut along. Wait. They are cut along this part. Okay, so if you see the sectional view, it will be easier to understanding that impeller A is driven. This is called driving shaft, and this is called driven shaft. Okay, so this is very important part, and there is a oil top where you have to put the oil. Okay, So you see the impeller and turbine set of enclosed and oil tight casing, that is figure 0.5.6. There is a no actual contact between the two parts of at any time, so gap separating them is quite small. The casing itself is bowl type construction of 3/3 foot of oil, मतलब कि that 3/4 of like 75% of they are having the oil full of oil. The proper level of indicated by the location of fitted plug, which is the air space between the coupling provides the expansion of fluids as it heat services when the driving shaft carrying the impeller is rotated engines and motor vanes causing the oil to push by the centrifugal force. Okay, and the periphery. Wait 1 second. Okay, so where we are, the impeller and wait, yes. For those who are in the classes, they know I had one presentation. Right now it is not available in my right now it is not available in my laptop. I unable to show you. Tomorrow I have mechanical transmissions details, so I will show you in details. Okay, and you can learn it from very well. So today keep spaces study this where you can understand it concept. Okay, so understanding we are impeller transmissions basically. Okay, so where use the oil is imprinting over the base of runner when it when the impeller driven slowly. What happening? The there is oil entering on the main product when there is it brings the centrifugal force in the oil. Okay, and the velocity of the latter are not powerful in rotating, but also engine is speed up. So oil is impeller acquires a significant force caused runner and rotator as a safe of impeller runner and is similar free from the path of oil and stream. Okay, so it requires less energy to run this particular thing with the comparison of the mechanical transmissions. Okay, the impeller runner rotate in the steam axle and in the speed by the slip and the difference between impeller with nearly 2% elongation. Okay, the torque transmissions build up in the square of the impeller of the speed as there is no mechanical connection between the impeller and vortex ring of the oil station extremely smooth. Okay, so coming to this point, the coupling has following advantages. Okay, so these are the 4 to 5 advantages. Okay, it functions as a clutch which gives the a smooth and progressive drive. Rate of accelerations can provide a wide over predictable range by the decreasing amount of iron coupling. There is no positive drive as with dog clutch and space slip occur in the case of overloaded. This is an important safety measure. There is no danger overloading or overloading. Okay. No smoking gearbox because it is a hydraulic driven and speed is only controlled to stop driver mechanical speed and reduce the level at which the vehicle cannot be driven. Okay, talk about this is the next. Okay, so touch. To understand the coupling, the basic fundamental of coupling like mechanical coupling, hydraulic coupling, understand. But I will explain in detail what are different types of hydraulic coupling, what are different types of mechanical coupling. Okay, these are the just introductory parts for kind information. Okay, so just the clutch. What is clutch basically? A clutch is a device. Clutch is a device in which two shafts are turning on the same axle. It means the two shafts are rotate in the same axle. This axle okay, line with another character with the disconnect. Whenever you want to connect, disconnect, you can add it. Plus, like action can also be by the using of movable jump and merging, engaging, and setting gear in the other way. It is necessary that is desired to keep driver motor moving, stopping emissions. It is also the engine before the similar example the first direct performance is to maintain the manipulation with the and basically if you see the clutches in the wait for a minute. I will see you one video where we can understand very well. Now screen visible? Okay. Yes, thank you. So you see in this video, You see, what do you understand actually in this? The clutch is a type of thing which we have to, we can use it to the speed up of the any vehicles and any winding systems. Okay, so this is very very important parameters for our mechanical mining device. Okay, so there are different types of clutch basically. Okay, so are you understanding or not? Please let me know. Is this video is helpful for you or not? Vamsi, Saikiran, Vishwajit. You know, your feedback is very important for me. If you are not getting to give the feedback, how I can understand what difficulties you are facing, because in this platform we cannot listen your voice basically. Okay, thank you, Vamsi. So coming to our the theoretical knowledge about the clutches. So as we know, it is using in the diet proof haulage. Okay, whenever we use haulage, whenever there is a drum, because it will because you know you how it is mentioned. Make up. This is a motor. Okay, from motor there is a gear coupling. From coupling there is a drum. Okay, and this drum from here there is a clutch is system. Clutch is fitted, which will be lever is operated by the engine driver. So whenever we want to increase the speed, we can disengage or engage this clutches. Okay, so in winding engine normally do not have the clutches if winding in the form of two fixed lever, pit bottom, pit top backing level and non-pit bottom level. But winding engine have to operate for a different and non levels to provide the clutches, that is minimally nice. The design of clutches depends upon whether or not to be engaged while running or on whether or not slipping can be permitted. There are just two main types: friction clutches and claw clutches. Okay, there are many more types. I will let you know in my presentations. Okay, a claw clutches is called dog clutches and jaw clutches. Okay, and the winding drums and large diameter always require the positive drive up, cannot slip any use of claw clutches. Okay, these can be only engaged and disengaged in very low speed. That is figure point 7 is related the simple claw and jaw clutches are simple haulage. So you see here this is the jaw clutches. You see how it is this is jaw of dog clutches. Okay, so this is a drive shaft, this is a driven shaft, and this is a shaft collar, and this will be joined in the coupling this jaw, and which will be disengaged or engaged whenever we required, basically. Okay, so understand the advantage of dog clutches that are simple and strong and positive action, but as it has disadvantage, it can be only engaged whenever drive and driven shaft are nearly stationary or running in the same speed. Okay, so huh. So it is used widely in the direct row haulage and the main retail haulage. Okay, the friction haulage you see in this friction haulage where everything is joined by the mechanical means of shaft. Okay, everything is joined by the mechanical means. Okay, so you see the friction clutch at the left of the front view and right the transverse view of the consist two part, that is external, that is drive part, and the compressive internal drive mechanism. Okay, so I will let you know all the things with our what called basically in the presentation form. Okay, so I will end this class here and start reading lasting DGMS circulars. Okay, after 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so tomorrow I will pick up this mind machine classes in the good form. It is today. I just start the topic like transmissions and all. Okay, so that you can understand what are the different kind of things. Okay, today we have read that what is soft. Okay, what is clutches. Okay, what is bearing. Okay, and these are the important parameters and technical words which will be used in the mechanical transmissions. Okay, so those who have any doubt, you can ask me now. I will teach you the digital circular of the one of the different types of digital circular. Tomorrow I will take. Thank you. Thank you.
To watch the complete video, download Mining Gyan 2.0 app from the Play Store and enjoy seamless learning with Mining Gyan 2.0.